We're back at it again on the roof, trying to finish it up. Last time, we got most of this decking down, but we're still working over here on the far end. We got a piece in the top and then finished nailing that section. All of this though is done, and that's some big progress. So we should be able to wrap this part up pretty quickly, and then we'll get on to putting the waterproofing membrane on the roof, and then we'll be dried in. That's the goal today. Let's get this sealed up. I don't like to have a little thing like this on the overhang, but
it's okay.
It was just all under here is all solid boards that span over, and if I lined this one up any other way, it would have been like on a lot of cracks.
Yeah.
So I just felt like it was a good spot to do it. That was a lot of nailing, but we just finished up. Look at it. It looks really good. Now, we are trying to hit all the original joists. We're not just nailing to the boards, we're nailing to the rafters, I should say. Right to the rafters. And doing a pretty intense nailing pattern of every 6 inches everywhere. So it's really tight. This roof is not going anywhere. And now we're ready for that black underlayment. I'm so excited. But I mean, actually, first we have to clean. So let's get the vacuum and the broom. We're going to clean the roof, make sure it's nice and clear of all debris and sawdust, and then we'll get on that. We have a couple more minutes before the sun goes down, so we're going to be starting with a strip. This is our self-adhesive membrane that we're going to be using. We have a strip of it. We're going to put it over the
fascia board.
Fascia, over the eaves, whatever you call it, so that it protects it, because we don't have fascia. We don't have a roof right now, so we're going to do the same thing we did on the other side of the house over here, which is wrapping this down to protect the fascia and the edge of the roof, then drip caps, then cover the rest. Right?
Mm-hmm. How are we going to fold this here?
Well, that's how I just want it. Just get it lined up.
May not be too picky.
Why pull it up when you can pull it down? I'm going to nail this on first.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get one of these.
With this one and a long one?
Well, let's use a long one. We'll see what's left. Overhangs us by like a lot anyway. This I don't think it's going to matter a great deal.
Well, good thing we have an extra one, right?
Yep. As you guys just saw, we have our roof finally dried in. We have our underlayment adhered. This came out really good. I think it went a lot quicker than the other side. I think we're getting the hang of this. Now, I don't want you to worry about this ridge right here. We are covering the excess over like that because we want to keep rain out, but we will be creating a ridge vent later on. But right now it's just about weatherproofing, so we'll slice that out later. No worries there. Look at it, we did it. We have literally half of our house fixed, the roof. Well guys, the roof is covered and that feels really good to have that sealed up. But now we have to come inside and clean up the mess. We have debris, sawdust, leaves, garbage, everything that fell down inside the room. So that's what I'm going to be working on now, is the aftermath of the roof project. But it is nice to see a beautiful, leak-free roof over our bedroom. This, not so beautiful. Look at our shower. So I'm going to work on cleaning the space, getting it all ready, and then we'll see what else we can get done. Okay guys, check it out. We have a clean floor, clean room over here. Everything is looking way better. Ashley came out, helped me clean this up. We got it swept, vacuumed, put away a bunch of stuff. We have tools on the porch that we still have to put away, but we're getting there, so that's good. Some stuff in here I can show you. Look at this. We got some project doors. These are doors that we actually found at a second-hand type of shop. It wasn't a thrift store, it was like an antique shop. A junk shop, I would call it. It's just a mix of stuff. And these doors match the doors in our house perfectly with the same style. Now they're kind of beat up, but I'm going to try to restore them and use them. I got a 24-inch and two 28-inch doors. You can see the other one in here. And here's the 24. These two are 28, I think. Yeah. Now, that's a future project. We have this. That's a future project. The entryway is getting better. We still have a lot of stuff in here, but it's clean. So we've been getting a lot of comments about the fact that we're jumping around from project to project. We're working on the inside, we're doing the bathroom, then we're building the porch, then we're doing the roof. And that's bothering some people that want to see finished projects. We do too. You can see we haven't done anything else on the porch. Ashley made some makeshift steps. The fact of the matter is that we are working in the order that we can right now. We just have time, we have budget, we have things that we have to work around, materials, and the reason that we jumped from the inside to the outside is because right now is the perfect time of year to do the roof before the hot rainy season comes. And we wanted to fix the roof before we finished the bedroom, because as you can see, the roof makes a big mess. And if you don't want to finish your room and then be working on the roof, have stuff falling through, we don't have insulation because we're still waiting for that to come back in stock. It was just the right time to do it. Now, to do the roof, we had to fix the porch because they hook into each other. And I knew I wanted to change the roof line of the porch. So I wasn't ready to rebuild this porch. I did it out of necessity to finish the bedroom.
Yeah, it's
So,
all intertwined.
It's really one big project. I'm not actually jumping around. I'm still working on the same project, and that's just part of it. I had to
Yeah.
do all this work to do that roof so that I could do the bedroom roof, so that I could clean the bedroom to finish it. You saw I have 2 router tables set up. I bought some new, much better Craig tables. I'm going to be making tongue and groove boards. We're going to be doing the walls, and we're going to try to finish as much of the walls as we can while we're still waiting on the ceiling insulation. Once that comes in, we can finish the ceiling and then, you know, finish work, trim and flooring, that kind of thing. So,
Yeah.
so we're not that far away. And I know it seems like it's dragging out. Trust me, regardless of the critics, we are not dragging this out for views, for clicks. We put days and days of work into our videos. hundreds and hundreds of dollars. We're putting, we could break them up big time.
Yeah.
We're not. We're really trying to put out good videos for you guys and trying to get the work done as quick as we can. I just wanted to let you know why it seems like we're all over the place. And we're even going to be still jumping around because, you know, we still have foundation work to do. And there's going to be some days where it's just a good day to do that. We're going to get under the house and do that. You know, there's days where we're just waiting for a package to come or, you know, whatever. So
Yeah.
you gotta bear with us and know that we're just a simple DIY family doing the best that we can. We're not a big production here. We're not a big show. And we're living real life. And this is just what happens. You end up having to do a lot of different jobs all at once. We are going to take a break from the roof, even though we have that back part to do. We're going to take a break from it for a little while so that we can work on some other jobs that need to get done. Because that's not the priority now.
Yeah.
So it's all about priorities. We're trying our best. I can't wait to show off the new tools, show off some new cool stuff we got. You saw boxes in there, something amazing that I'm excited about. So yeah, I just hope you guys can come along for our journey and not just for renovation, because we're more than that. And we're real people, and I hope that comes across. We have a new duck friend right here. That is Daphne.
Daphne, yeah.
We were calling her Daffy, but then we changed it to Daphne. We're not really sure if it's a boy or a girl. We think it's a female. So,
If it's a boy, it's Daffy. If it's a girl, it's Daphne.
okay. She's been coming around every day, begging for food and saying hi to us, and we just love her company, so that's cool. And she was just standing here, so I thought I'd introduce you. That's it. That's
Yep.
all we have for today. Sorry to ramble on, but we're done working, and that's all we can do for now. So I guess we're going to wrap it up. We really appreciate you guys coming along, watching our video today. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
See ya.